Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. Father cracked this up a little bit, so we're gonna have to replace this tail light eventually. Just gotta find a new one. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you how to change the tail light if you ever have to replace it. So I'm gonna show you on this side because it's easier for me to show you. So let's do this. All right, open up the hatch. We're gonna start by removing this 8mm bolt right here, and this one down here. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, guys, now this is gonna be pulled out straight out, okay? So just kind of hit it, and it just comes out, okay? Okay, to disconnect it, you're just gonna squeeze the tab here and pull out. And then it's attached over here, just pull this out. There you go. And now this is ready to come out. Okay, to put it back together, you're just gonna plug it in. Then see these pins, one here, one on top. That's gonna go one on the bottom here, one on top here, line them up, and then you're just gonna snap it in place, okay? All right, just plug it in. And snap this in place. Now line up the pins. Like that, when you're ready, snaps in place. Alright guys, that's how you change the taillights on our CRV. Hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.